Hello, friends. Are you interested in making money with artificial intelligence, but don't have skills? Don't worry. In this video, we'll explore some exciting opportunities for leveraging AI to generate income, even without specific technical expertise. Let's dive in. Number 1, AI product reselling. One way to make money with AI is by reselling AI products. There are numerous AI-powered devices, software, and gadgets available in the market. You can identify popular AI products and create an online store or marketplace to sell them. This allows you to tap into the growing demand for AI technology without necessarily having to develop it yourself. Number 2, AI influencer or content creator. If you have an interest in AI and can effectively communicate about it, becoming an AI influencer or content creator can be a lucrative option. You can create videos, blogs, or social media content that educates and entertains people about AI-related topics. By growing a dedicated following, you can collaborate with brands, earn advertising revenue, or promote AI products as an affiliate. Number 3, AI tutoring or coaching. While technical expertise is not a requirement, having a basic understanding of AI concepts and applications can enable you to provide tutoring or coaching services to those looking to learn about AI. You can offer online courses, personalized coaching sessions, or group workshops, catering to individuals who want to grasp the fundamentals of AI or explore its potential. Number 4, virtual assistant services. With the rise of AI-powered virtual assistants, such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, there is a growing need for individuals who can manage and optimize these tools. You can offer virtual assistant services to businesses or individuals, helping them set up, configure, and utilize these AI-driven assistants effectively. Number 5, AI-powered survey analysis. Companies and organizations often conduct surveys to gather insights and opinions from their customers or target audience. Although you don't need extensive AI skills, you can use AI-powered survey analysis tools to process and derive meaningful conclusions from survey data. You can offer survey analysis services to businesses, providing them with valuable insights for decision-making. These are just a few examples of how you can make money with AI, even without specific technical skills. By leveraging existing AI products, becoming an influencer, offering tutoring or coaching, providing virtual assistant services, or analyzing survey data, you can tap into the potential of AI and generate income. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Wishing you all the best on your affiliate marketing journey. Until next time.